Are you setting up a self-managed super fund, SMSF? One of the first steps is to open a dedicated bank account for your fund. In this video, we'll walk you through why it's necessary and how to do it the right way. Why your SMSF needs a bank account. An SMSF bank account is essential to manage fund operations, accept contributions and rollovers, receive investment income, pay expenses and liabilities. SMSF bank account requirements. As an SMSF trustee, you must ensure the bank account is unique to the SMSF, recorded correctly with the ATO, separate from trustees and employers' accounts. How to open an SMSF bank account. Register your SMSF, get an Australian business number, ABN. Choose a bank, select a provider that offers SMSF compliant accounts. Provide required documents, your SMSF trust deed, ABN, and identification. Set up internet banking, keep control of transactions and monitor activities. Notify the ATO, inform them of your fund's bank details. Each SMSF member must have their contributions, earnings, and payments recorded separately. This ensures transparency and compliance with regulations. You can update your SMSF bank details with the ATO through a registered agent, online services for business, lodging your SMSF annual return. To protect your SMSF from fraud, ensure only authorized people are signatories. Regularly check transactions. Report suspicious activity to your bank immediately. And that's it. Now you know how to set up a bank account for your SMSF. For details, visit our website trustees.com.au or call us on 02 9684 4199.